My dear friends, at the outset, I want to congratulate all the ISBR postgraduates who have been confirmed with postgraduate degrees today. All the best to all of you. Our Revered Pandurang Shetty ji, Sampath Raman ji, Ambassador John Road, Prakash Kotari Saab, my dear friend Manish Kotari, Madam Tejashwari ji, my dear friend and Dean of the institution C. Manohar, Director Anand Raman, Director Kiran Bindu, other dignitaries on the dais, and my dear friends. I want to say only one thing. I have come to this convocation escorting my wife.
Message to all other husbands here.
I told her I just now landed from Delhi, and she told me there is one function of ISBR where I am getting an award, and you come along. For a moment I argued with her that I am a union cabinet minister for chemicals, petrochemicals, pharmaceuticals and fertilizers, and I know Manohar very well. I know Kotaris also, but there is no official invitation. And they would have had their own format of the function, and it is not fair on my part to barge in like this. She said, Mr. Anant Kumar, you are not barging in, you are escorting me. I think that's a great inspiration of many of you, for many. Whenever I come to Electronic City, which is part of my constituency, and Electronic City gave Narendra Modi and me a lead of 55,000 votes. And ISBR also comes under that Electronic City. And I understand your support was instrumental in making me a 6th-time MP continuously from Bangalore South. But whenever I come here, one thing pains me inside. My wife is a software engineer. My brother-in-law, sister-in-law, everybody is software. I am the only hardware person in the family. Whenever I think of this, I think there is a lesson for all management students, that if at all you want to become good managers, you should be knowing how to handle hardware also with software. My dear friends, today is Guru Purnima, and Guru Purnima means student and teacher, especially Teachers' Day, and Mr. Manish Kotari was telling me that this has been dedicated to teachers. But whenever I think of teachers, I think of Swami Vivekananda, and Vivekananda said that there are 3 types of teachers in this world. Number 1, a bad teacher complains, a good teacher teaches, and a great teacher inspires. I think I told to the Indian Parliament in one of my speeches This can be converted into political paradigm also. A bad leader complains, a good leader leads, and a great leader like Narendra Modi inspires. And I don't want to tell you, last 10 years, who were complaining and who are failing to govern. But at the same time, there is a parallel. For students, a good student can become a good teacher. A good teacher, if he is not a good student, cannot become a good teacher. Like that, today, if you are a good manager, then tomorrow you can govern well. The first step of good governance is managing well. Therefore, first you manage the small units, industries, departments, portfolios, then it goes into a bigger canvas of governance. And I am also very happy that ISBR Business School has awarded 180 postgraduate degrees today. And I am very happy to tell you that both Pandurang Shetty ji and Anand Rajan ji, everybody was, even Professor Manohar, they were talking about yesterday's budget. Jaitley is a dear friend, and media asked me, how do you describe this budget? I said it's a revival budget. The budget which wants to revive the Indian economy. And we are running hundreds and thousands of management schools. And if there is no growth of industry, growth of agriculture, growth of service sector, then where do you go? I was just browsing through your prospectus, and there is a pie diagram, sector-wise placements and companies. And placements in last year, marketing 24%, HR 19%, finance 17%, IT 12%. This tells the story of India also. What is the story of India? Manufacturing 2%, banking 2%, telecom 2%, production 2%, operations 2%. That means if the Indian economy is lopsided, if there is no manufacturing, there is no production, there is no logistics, there is no infrastructural development, there is no investment, big ticket investment by the government of India, and there is no incentive to startups, startup entrepreneurs, then this will be the situation. Therefore, the next year piegram will be different of not only ISBR but of India. It will be different because you will be shocked as management students. The growth has been less than 5% in last 2 years. The GDP growth rate. Not only that, the industrial growth rate last year was minus 87%. It is minus. And our Sampath Raman is sitting here, chairman of FICCI. We all know that we need to grow at the rate of 9%. 9% GDP growth rate and an industrial growth rate of 5% and a agricultural growth rate of 4 to 5%. Services growth rate which is much higher, which Gujarat has achieved, which Madhya Pradesh has achieved, which Rajasthan is achieving, which Chhattisgarh has achieved, which Goa has achieved. Therefore, my dear friends, we need to turn around our country. And in turning around our country, I think you all have a very big role. And what is the big role? And if I want to, I am not a management student. I never got a gold medal. And I was whispering in the ears of Pandurang Shetty ji, if he had given me a gold medal, I would not have come to the politics. And in a very simplistic terms, if I want to convey to you, you need to decide today on this sacred day of convocation that you are entering your profession, that whether you are going to become the consumers or contributors, whether you are going to become the problems or the solutions. You can become either of it. You can become a problem, you can become a solution. You can become a consumer. I don't want to use that torrid word, parasitical consumer. I don't want to use. I am only using consumer. Burden. Whether we will be a burden or we will be contributors. I expect all of you to become contributors, and I entirely agree with our former Prime Minister Morarji Bhai that we can be unemployable by our own volition, but there is no unemployment. If you decide to be employed, if you decide to be a contributor, if you decide to be a solution, nobody can stop you. Nobody can stop you. And examples are sitting in front of you. There are examples in front of you. And I also want to make a last statement that if you browse through some 500 big businesses of India, all the pioneers of those 500 big businesses of India, no one came from management schools. None of them. They just decided that they will create a business. They will create an enterprise. The forefathers, they will create something, and they have created. And they have employed the students of the management schools. That's not a bad thing, but the spirit of saying is that if you decide, you can. And therefore, my dear friends, as M.K. Pandurang Shetty ji sagaciously conveyed to you that you need to decide. And our Prime Minister Narendra Modi always tells us innovation, innovation, innovation. Therefore, you start thinking, how can I innovate? How can I come with a newer idea? With an idea which can give more output. Therefore, you need to apply yourself. You have that Wipro statement, na? Applying thought. Change it, amend it, and write in your diary, applying myself. How do I apply myself to contribution, to new innovation, new entrepreneurship, and a meaningful life, and a successful life? I will become a successful, rich and prosperous life. Usually, we are all running after three things: big money, big buck, fast buck, easy buck. Big buck, fast buck, easy buck ruins us. But can we march towards a meaningful and successful life? Our life has to be successful, our life has to be meaningful. And if it has to be successful and meaningful, it can be only through being a contributory life. Therefore, what I can contribute to the profession, what I can contribute to the society, and what I can contribute to the country. Therefore, I think the tool has been given to you, that is your MBA certificate. And now you are empowered with this education. Now sky is the limit. My dear friends, get up and get going. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.